Hi friends, it's Stephen at Goodie Goodie and I'm making lemon jelly. It may seem a little strange, but we're making 4 super simple recipes that are all the same except for the flavor of the jelly. So we start with the instant jelly powder. Add to it 1 cup of boiling water. Stir it like crazy to dissolve all of the jelly powder. Looks good. And now we add 1 cup of freezing cold water, sort of a yin and yang thing, and stir that up as well. Nice. Now, believe it or not, the hardest part of this recipe is getting it even in the dessert cups. Hopefully my eye's pretty good. So here's number 3. And number 4. Not bad. Now they go in the refrigerator for at least 3 hours to set. And here comes the obligatory whipped cream from a can. If I'm not doing very well at this, it's because I'm in a home kitchen and you can't see this, but with my left hand I'm holding back a cat that's trying to get at the whipped cream. And here we go, lemon jelly. Don't forget to like and subscribe.